Here is my portion on finding the factors for number 72. So I took 72 and I just divided it down the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Of course, 5 doesn't go into it, 7 did not either. And I did not keep going because if we did, the quotient's already been used because here we could go, 72 divided by 9 would be 8. Um, and anything higher, let's see here is same thing. If we did 72 divided by 12, it would be 6. So all the quotients have been used. So that is why it is an effective method to finding the factors. Um, so the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. I liked this problem. There was a lot of factors to it, so I really liked that part of it. For my word problem, I chose to find multiples of 4. So my problem is if Rosie picks 4 apples every day, how many apples would Rosie have after 4 days of picking apples? And how many apples would Rosie have after 9 days? That is my word problem.